हेलो ब्यूटीफुल सोल्स, कैसे हो आप सब लोग। आई होप आप सब बहुत अच्छे होंगे, खुश होंगे। जो आज का मैसेज है वो बहुत स्पेसिफिक लोगों के लिए है, बिकॉज लाइक मैसेज इज लाइक वेरी डीप। इट इज लाइक इन देयर लाइफ स्टोरी। ऐसा है दैट इनकी एक स्टोरी है उनकी लाइफ की। या आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट द रीडिंग। जस्ट प्लीज लिसन टू द स्टार्ट टू एंड। शायद जिससे आपको और अच्छे से कनेक्ट कर पाओ और ये कंफर्म हो पाए दैट दैट रीडिंग इज फॉर यू। ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द रीडिंग। I will just try to put in the way of story. Okay, so let's start. A beautiful soul that a beautiful soul birth in the family, and the soul is very different from their timeline, from their generation. The soul think different, see things differently, and they just feel things differently. And unknowing unknowingly, soul does not know that that what is happening with why I am like that, why I'm so different from the people around me, why I can't cope up with the people around me, why I am not like that. And the soul grow up with this feeling, and the slowly it literally just far away from the people, from those things who are not matching with his feelings, with their perspective. And then this slowly they are like alone, that soul is alone and just working alone, and don't know what will be the result, just working alone, sitting and thinking that why I am doing this, क्या इस चीज का कोई मतलब है, is this things matter or not. They just don't know why I'm feeling like this. And with this because the soul from the high vibration, that it can't match with the people who are in the low vibration. Maybe that soul is an old soul and connect with the god, a very strong connection with the god. And that soul fight with it, fight to the people around it, to protect themselves, to protect the aura, just fighting. Don't know where it going, don't know, just don't know, just fighting, just protecting, and just doing work. And still don't know that what I am doing and why I am doing this. Emotionally, mentally, physically, going through the roller coaster in the life, and don't know the destination, just going. In the journey, they are in their journey, but they don't know where they are going. But they have that hope and faith, and that with this strength, that that soul want to move forward in their life. They just want to be find themselves, because they don't know where they belong, where it belongs. It not asking for so many things, not waiting for anything, just going forward in the life, happy in small things. Just has the very sparkly eyes, and the small dreams in her eyes that make them excited, and just working on it behind the curtains, and just happy, just want to be happy. But the soul is like very confused that why I am not able to do the things. Because that soul is not an ordinary soul, is a special soul, gifted soul with the bigger purpose. And God is telling them, you are not here to play small, okay? You are not here to, work in behind the curtains. You are not for the only small things, only limited things. You are here to rule. You are here to not, only not that much. You are here to have all those things that you ever imagined. Because your soul, that soul, you are not an ordinary soul. You are a very simple soul. You are a special soul. You are a king. You are queen. You are here to rule. You are not just born to to just play small. No, you are here to rule. You are here to sit in the position to rule everything around you, to people, to place, to environment, to make them good, to rule good, to help the people. You have your soul, is made like this, has potential this. That's why that's why it's your journey that I given to you, that God is telling you, that telling that soul, that journey I given to you, because you are here to sit in this position, the King of Pentacles. You are here to stay. You are here for stable, the strong stability, strong structure. Your ancestor, your God, your angels are there for you. They are protecting you. You are a good ruler. You are here to not just come on the earth and disappear. No, you are here to make history. That history that people will read and they get inspired and remember, and to make the people believe that every soul is different, and that is you. You are not here to play small, okay? You are fighting. You are, just fighting because the great destination, the big destination is waiting for you and is going to come. You are just, on your turning point in your life. You are ready. You are just, ready. You are on the finish line, on the final line to get everything, to be at that position in your life, to get ready. When I was preparing for this reading, वैसे मैं इतनी कभी देखती नहीं हूँ कि मेरे रिंग्स कहाँ है, मेरे ब्रेसलेट कहाँ पर है, और but today I don't know why I was like that, everything should be perfect. यूजुअली आपने अगर देखा होगा तो आपको कभी रिंग्स दिखेंगे या नहीं दिखेंगे, लेकिन आज मुझे, और अगर मुझे नहीं याद रहती तो मैं छोड़ देती, लेकिन आज मुझे पर्सनली याद था कि मैं जाके लेके आई उठ के कि नहीं मुझे पहननी है। तो मे बी शायद दिस इज द साइन that you started to preparing for something. Just to don't know why are you doing it. Just start to think very perfectly. आप एक जो वो लेजी था ना कि नहीं छोड़ देना, आप उन चीजों को छोड़ोगे नहीं. You will be like नहीं, everything should be the part of my journey, and you will make it the everything part of your journey. Even the small, you would not even miss the small thing स्मॉल इन्फॉर्म यू विल नॉट मिस, आप मिस नहीं करोगे उस चीज को, चाहे वो छोटी तो छोटी कोई इन्फॉर्म भी हो, पहले शायद आप ध्यान नहीं देते थे, नाउ यू विल लाइक इन द स्मॉल डिटेल्स, शायद उस चीज को भी राइट डाउन करना, लिख दो कि नहीं ये ऐसा है, इस टाइम का है। तो मे बी दिस इज द confirmation that that your timeline is shifting, your ending point is came, you're on the finish line and you are prepared for this life. The God has planned for you, not you. Okay. Let me get one card for you from the oracle cards. Okay. Two cards came. Okay. Release fear and doubt that hold you back from living fully. See, you're going to be like that. You know that you are like that. You always think that you only want that much. But God is saying, no, I know me, I make you for, that much, not only that much. तो fear और doubt को निकाल दो, fully life को जीने के लिए, okay? And the second card is spirit of the forest, connect with nature to find peace and quiet. I think शायद अगर आप नेचर के संग कनेक्ट करोगे तो you will get the exact answer of your question. That confusion will will gone when you connect with the nature. आप लोग अर्थ साइन हो सकते हो, अर्थ साइन, वाटर साइन, मुझे यहाँ पे दिखाई दे रहा है। तो मे बी इफ यू नो मे बी वर्क ऑन योर एनर्जी टू बी ग्राउंडेड, it will help you to to give you more clarity, and to will you will able to see in front of your eye, that everything in front of your eyes, मे बी शायद जो कभी आप देख भी नहीं पाए हो ना वो भी चीज आपको दिखनी शुरू हो जाएंगी when you try to ground yourself. Okay, so connect with nature. With the connectivity in nature, you can it will help you to release fear and doubt. तो और भी यार अगर आप नोटिस करोगे तो ये दोनों कार्ड कहीं ना कहीं नेचर को ही दिखा रहे हैं। जैसे इसके बाद यही कार्ड है कि नेचर से कनेक्ट करने से आपके फियर और डाउट सारे चले जाएंगे। आई विल पुट इट लाइक दिस। ओके, सो या दिस इज ऑल अबाउट इट। आई होप ये जो रीडिंग है, जो एनर्जी है मुझे ये आई थी, ये आपके संग कनेक्ट हुई हो, आप इसके संग कनेक्ट फील कर पाए हो तो प्लीज लाइक कीजिएगा, शेयर कीजिएगा, मुझे कमेंट्स में बताइएगा कि दिस इज योर जर्नी इज लाइक दिस। ओके, तब तक के लिए हम नेक्स्ट टाइम के लिए मिलेंगे, अपना ध्यान रखिएगा। राधे राधे, हर हर महादेव।